Hi friends, I am Simply Tamanisha and I'm back with a review of this Battery Daddy. I grabbed this for $20 at Walmart in the As You've Seen on TV, and I wanted to buy it and check it out. What really motivated me to buy it is that it has a battery tester on the inside, and so that way I can always know whether or not my batteries are in good condition. Now I will tell you this about the batteries for your emergency preparedness. If you get one of these for emergency preparedness, these batteries are just for emergency preparedness, and then you have other batteries that you keep in your home for your children to use or to use with, other items. But this remains strictly for emergency use. So that means if the kids are running short on AA batteries, they can't take them out of here. You guys are going to have to run to the store and grab them. Now, I do make it a habit when I go to Dollar Tree, which is every week to get my coupons. I do make it a habit to grab some batteries. Like one month I might do AA, another month I might do AAA or C batteries or D batteries or whatever. I feel like I'm talking about vitamins. But I do grab some. Those are usually going to be batteries that don't last a really, really long time. And so now my more high quality lithium batteries, alkaline batteries, Duracell and stuff like that. Sometimes I grab some at Ross, like some of the what have you in here? Like the Die Hard, I grab at Ross, and it's not very expensive. As you can see, it's $3.49. These ones were $3.99. And so what I like to do is keep 2 sets of batteries. I don't like to leave the batteries in the garage because the temperature fluctuates a lot, and so by it fluctuating, it's going to make the battery sweat. If you leave them inside of the flashlights and stuff like that, they will sweat and they will rust because it's going to be hot. They're going to dry out. They're going to sweat. So it's not a good idea. Find a place in your home. You may be in your closet or in your laundry room or somewhere that you're comfortable, and tell the kids that there's a box for them and there's a box that they absolutely cannot access. This is for emergency preparedness. And you want to have this indoors because if you're indoors, power goes out. You don't want to be rummaging around in the house or in the garage to try to find batteries that you can just easily access. So let's get on into this box. And y'all, I do see a lot of coupons for batteries in the paper. So from time to time they'll sell. So it says that no more digging in drawers. It holds up to 180 batteries. Easy view cover. Battery tester included. Sturdy handle. And the other thing that I thought was pretty neat about this is that it's double-sided. It's nice. Oh, look, see, you can see it's got compartments for all the different sizes. Y'all know I'm going to have to put my reading glasses on so I can get into this paperwork. So look at how it closes. Oh, I like this. I had a battery storage thing years ago. I don't even know where it is, but I'm pretty sure it didn't look like this one. So that's pretty neat. Oops. Snap. Unsnap. The second side is the same. You can see it. Oh, they've got, if you give them your opinion, they will send you 20% off. And while I'm looking at this, oh yeah, I was right. Okay, so yeah, the back side is your AA batteries, and then you have your AAA, C, D, 9 volts, and other batteries are in the front. So while I'm thinking about that, how I like to use my batteries is in the midst of a storm, I do have some of the less expensive batteries immediately available, and I tend to use those first. The storm may not last a really long time, and they're okay for just that temporary experience. And then for the use of my lithium, my rechargeable batteries, my alkaline batteries, I use those if the event is prolonged and the cheaper batteries have run out. That way, if it's a week, then I have a longer chance to use those batteries, because to be honest with you, like when we had the storm a few weeks ago, you kind of start adjusting to the experience, because okay, I got my emergency preparedness things available, and I've got them set up, and you just go through it. And I believe in planning, preparation, and preparing, and not panicking. So if you have everything ready, then there's no need for you to be concerned about a panic, because you've done what's necessary for your family to survive. So it says here 22 AA, 70 AAAs, 10 Cs, 8 Ds, 8 9 volts, 12 button cells, and then the back side can store 54 AA and 2 AAA. That's only 2. That's in the battery. So y'all, let me show you. Ignore my table because that's all my spring decor and it's a disaster. So let me see how I can make this work for me. I had a bunch of batteries out of place in my office drawers. Can you see that? Some of them might be good, some of them might not be, but we're going to find out because we can test it. We've got a meter here that will tell us if it's green, positive, if it's good. The interesting thing is, it doesn't say that the battery tester needs a battery. Can you see it? Okay, so it says that one is good. So this one is worth keeping. It says that this battery is bad and I need to replace it. Okay, friends, so I'm not going to hold you a long time on this video. That's all I wanted to share with you about this. Remember what I said, a separate batch of batteries. My younger daughter, let me tell y'all something. My younger daughter was the household battery bandit. You put batteries in your stuff and you go to use it and you come back and it's not working, and my baby girl had your batteries in her toys. She was gonna have some batteries. She was steal batteries. So that's how I learned that I needed to have 2 sets of batteries, one for the kids and one for emergency preparedness, because my baby was going to put a battery in a game. They had Game Boys back then and whatever else that stuff was that she loved, and we never have any batteries because they all be in her room and her stuff should be playing that game. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe. Everybody like this video so that we can share it with our friends and neighbors on our YouTube channel. And take care, friends. I'll see you in the next video.